So air quality has been improving in the UK, but given that we have the new WHO guidelines for air quality from last year, we actually find ourselves in a situation where there is very few places across the UK where air quality is sufficient to protect health. In London, which is our largest city, of course, then we have particular problems because we have generally higher pollution in that city. So we know that a lot of the pollution in our major cities like London comes from traffic. So there has been a lot of activity around the setting of policies which reduce emissions coming from traffic. In 2003 we introduced the congestion charging zone, which reduced the number of vehicles coming into the centre of the city. In 2008 we introduced a low emission zone, but because of the economic recession around that time, a large part of that didn't really come into effect. In 2019 we introduced the ultra low emission zone, and that really was to prevent the most polluting vehicles to come into the centre of the city. That was subsequently expanded in 2021 to a larger area inside the North and South Circular. And of course last year we expanded it right out to what we call the M25. So the whole of London now is within an ultra low emission zone, and that will increase the air quality in the city. We've seen it happening in the middle of the city, and then the outer skirts are now being brought into that. So we will see within a couple of years a pretty dramatic improvement in air quality, and subsequently of course we'll see those health benefits which we all need.